On the occasions of National Mathematics Day, a special initiative was undertaken to empower mathematics teachers across the state of Meghalaya. The celebration was organized in the form of a series of one-day workshops on teaching of mathematics for the lower and upper primary school teachers of Meghalaya in the district headquarters. In all 12 district headquarters, to strengthen the teaching of mathematics at the lower and upper primary school levels. 50 teachers from each district representing various CNRD blocks gathered to enhance their skills in teaching mathematics. The workshops aim in building a strong mathematical foundation in young minds by equipping teachers with innovative teaching tools, including the use of Maths Kits and Origami. The first workshop took place at Mawkyrwat on the 4th of October 2024. Despite challenging weather conditions, the teachers braved the weather to participate in this important initiative, testament to their dedication. The welcome speech was given by Buk Balawan El Maunai LDA, followed a motivational speech by Liaman Carey Dingdok, Program Officer SCSTE.
Education is, we can say it's a concurrent subject, right? So that means the state and the central has both the authority to make guidelines, policies on education. And we are very glad that the government of Meghalaya has adopted since last year the NSCTC textbooks, right? I think all of you now, you are very well versed in the chapters of the new NCERT textbooks. And we are very glad that the government of Meghalaya through the education department has adopted these textbooks. And it's about time we do that, because now we can see we are very much in line with the rest of the country in following a common syllabus, which will help especially our students in the near future when they go for the competitive examinations.
Span Kharchandi, a resource person for the Maths Kit, led the first session where he demonstrated the use of Maths Kit to make mathematical concepts more engaging and understandable.
Tenth place. 10 means 1 by 10, 100 means 1 by 10. When you reach 10, I told you divide by 10, isn't it? This 10 divided by 10 will be how much? 1. There are 10, but as you proceed this side, divide by 10. Same thing. There are 10, divide by 10, 1. Anyone of that, after he has understood the very division. If I think we have some kind of division here. Division is what? It's a workshop. We work together, no?
I teach small children started from class 1. And when I teach addition is okay because we can take anything like stone or some stick, we teach them.
Grouping.
Yeah. Then when I go to division, it's very difficult for them.
Addition fine. Maybe subtraction also fine. But when you do division, is that? We take this example, is there? Or this kit activity is there?
Following the lunch break, the second half of the workshop was led by Arving Star Baman, who introduced teachers to the art of origami. He showcased how this creative technique can be used to teach geometry and spatial reasoning in the fun and interactive way.
Number of times folded. Second column like parts received. Okay, so you take side part and increase. This is called increase. You press.
At the end of the day, teachers left the workshop with not only new teaching tools but also a renewed enthusiasm for making mathematics more accessible and enjoyable for their students. Each participant received a certificate marking their commitment to this important cause. The National Mathematics Day workshops organized by the State Council of Science, Technology and Environment Meghalaya and supported by NSCTC under the Department of Science and Technology, Government of India have set a positive precedent for future educational initiatives. To these trained teachers, a stronger foundation of mathematics will be laid for the students of Meghalaya.